Hello and welcome to Saurav's classes. Today we are going to discuss the 2023 ISI B.STAT paper. This is the first question, which says for a real number x, x cube minus 7x plus 6 is greater than 0, and we have to find the domain of x from this. So the first step is to factorize the given polynomial. And we can see from the coefficients that if we put x equal to 1, then we get 1 minus 7 plus 6, which is equal to 0. That means x equal to 1 is a factor of the polynomial x cube minus 7x plus 6, or in other words, x minus 1 is a factor. So we can arrange the polynomial to generate x minus 1 as a factor, and we can write this as x cube minus x square plus x square minus x minus 6x plus 6 is greater than 0. So x square times x minus 1 plus x times x minus 1 minus 6 times x minus 1 greater than 0. So x minus 1 times x square plus x minus 6 is greater than 0, or x minus 1 times x plus 3 times x minus 2 is greater than 0. So that means the product of three factors is greater than 0. Now, to solve this inequality, we use the wavy curve method, which is based on the number line and the critical points. So the critical points here are the points where the polynomial goes to 0. So the critical points are x equal to 1, x equal to 2, and x equal to minus 3. So minus 3, 1 and 2. Now as we can see that if I take a value of x less than minus 3, the whole expression becomes negative. So this is negative here. At x equal to minus 3, this becomes 0. Now when x goes beyond minus 3, so it lies between minus 3 to plus 1, then this becomes positive, and it again becomes 0 at x equal to 1. Now between x equal to 1 and 2, this again becomes negative, and at x equal to 2, it becomes 0 again, and when it goes beyond x equal to 2, it becomes positive. So we are interested in the positive values of the expression. So that means we are interested in these two regions. So therefore x has to lie between minus 3 and 1, or x has to lie beyond 2. So therefore the option D is the correct choice.